Hey there, so I have my weapon, and now we have to go over what accessories you need next. Hey there, this is Tom's Tech Show, and many of you across the country are new gun owners, as am I. I mean, I used to use guns way back with my grandparents and my parents and stuff. We'd go out backpacking and shoot at trees and other things, and we'd have the gun along for safety against rattlesnakes, stuff like that. There's a shot you can get called snake shot that sprays in a small pattern on the ground at made for like 5 to 8 foot range, so that you can spray that and have it just cover. You should aim at their head, and so that you're guaranteed to hit their head. So if they're being aggressive, snakes are coming at you, then use this snake shot that we used to use way back when. But now I have my new Smith Wesson here. So I've been looking over it and practicing. Of course, you have to practice your dry fire and all that. I've been leaving the little tab in here that kind of lets me know there's no way nothing can be inside the chamber if this tab is filling that chamber. So, and I do that when I store it, just to make sure that when it's in, it's locked safe. When I take it out, I know there's no ammunition in it. I do like the high visibility sights. If you can kind of see them here, there's the green and the red. Makes it really easy to see when there's light. So looking down you can kind of see the red and green kind of dots there over on that. I'm really liking that part of the weapon. So there's that. And of course it's, let's see, I do have no, I don't want that. I want this one. I do have the case here that it lives in. I've kind of played around with which way I want it to set inside here. Typically when I'm pulling it out of the cabinet, I'm holding it this way up against my chest and then unlocking it that way. So I've decided I'm putting the weapon in here this way so that the muzzle will be facing away from me when I'm locking the gun into its little case here. And Siri's thinking that I'm calling it, but I'm not. Cancel. So there we go. It's in its little safe. Okay, so what other things do we need? I guess the hard thing right now to find, let's grab this stuff, is this. This is the hard stuff to find. I have some on order that's being shipped to a store near me so that I can go pick it up. But ammunition is in short supply because everybody buys guns and they want ammunition. So I do have this little felt roll that I got that I can spread out onto my table here and make this as clean, and keep this as clean as I possibly can. It has a little rubber on the back that holds it down so that when I'm cleaning the gun or doing anything like that, I can just lay out the parts and stuff on here, and then just make sure to keep this, run a roller over it, run tape over it to keep all the little fuzzy bits and stuff off, so that I can make sure not to get any of that back into the weapon. So that's one accessory that I have. Of course, you need really cleaning. You need a little cleaning squares, little cleaning pads, and I got a little bundle of those. I kind of went with all the, I don't know if it's hoppies or hops or whatever. That's these, and then I do have the gun bore cleaner. So you're going to need that after you shoot a lot of rounds through your weapon. You're going to need just to do some really good cleaning to make sure all that gook that's in there comes out. I also have, this is oil. I got a small bottle of oil so I can put it in a little plastic bag and put it in my case that I'm going to take to my range case. So if I get there, I see something's acting a little odd, I don't like how something's sliding when I'm doing it, I got a little bottle so that I can, take it with me and be able to add that to the gun and make sure that it's moving smoothly. And I did get some little scrubby things, little brushes in order to scrub the hard parts. And I got this little tray This little tray was at Target for $3. Just kind of holds all this stuff, so I can take that, put it in here, put that in here, and get all this stuff loaded into a little tray. Then I'm using a bore snake for cleaning the barrel. So this is made for 9mm and whatever other sizes that kind of match that, right? So so I have this for making it easy to clean. I kind of did some research, and that seems to be the best quick way to do it. So this is also a Hobbies number 9 as well. So that was very important. Now I do have my range bag here, and I've added a few things to it. So let's open it up here. Of course, a few things that you do need hearing protection. Gotta have that at the range. These are electronic with a little volume level, so you have a little USB recharger so that you can charge them before you go. Have that. Also have some eye protection. So these are made for the range. Eye protection. I have some others, but I like these because I like the blue and the green and stuff on it. So that was pretty cool. So you're definitely going to need that. What else is in here? Oh, I have magazines in here. Those are relevant. I think that is all that's in my center plotter right now. Okay, so let's go to the front pouch here that I have in the front. And one thing I have is this is a multi-tool, so that I can, if something's I need to pry on or unscrew or something, I'll always have a multi-tool in order to get into that. I also have a first aid kit. So this has a lot of big bandages and other things. I think I need to get a small roll of like surgical tape or some type of bandage tape and add it to this. I think that's the only thing left that I need in there. Over in this pocket on this side, I have some masking tape. Now, if you go to different ranges, they may have the little binder clips to hold your targets, or sometimes if they're not there and you have to attach your targets, you can use that to do that. On this side, this pocket, I basically have straps and cables. So I have, this is the shoulder strap if I wanted to carry it on the shoulder. Then I also have this little flashlight. So if you're out somewhere and I need to look in the bag, or it gets dark if you're on an outside range, it also, you pull it up and it becomes a lantern, which I thought was pretty cool. So you can change it to a lantern. I think I got this at Target or something, just over the camping gear stuff. It was kind of nifty, and it's small and it fits right in there. Okay, now in the front here, there's a little pouch here that has a bunch of, a pen, and I have a Sharpie for marking up targets if you need to mark up a target. I have a microfiber cloth. And here's all my cables for charging my headphones, my ear protection. And then I have this little piece of wood that I fashioned because I found that it was saved my thumb by using this piece of wood to push down on the magazine with that to load ammunition into it. So I kind of made that. And then I have this, which is, oops, we'll flip it over here. This is my shooting log. I keep track of, I'm going to keep track of my ammunition purchases here, and then I'm going to have pages that I keep track of my shooting and how well I do, so that I can track how well I do over time, whether I improve, whether I really start to suck, or any of those things. So that's kind of the base right now for my range bag and all the other stuff that I need. It's been just purchasing. So just purchasing a weapon. There's so many other things that you need for safety, maintaining, and care for your weapon, to make sure you get all of those things as well, because a weapon that's not been taken very good care of, just like a car, you don't take care of your car is going to break down and it's not going to run well, and you're not going to be able to use it when you need it. Just same thing with any weapon. If you don't take care of it, keep it oiled, keep it cleaned, when you need to use it, like really need to use it, it's not going to work for you. So big thing there. All right. Well, thanks for watching this. This is all stuff in my bag. I'm going to put as many of the links as I can find in that are on Amazon for the stuff that I purchased. Thanks for watching. And if you have any other things that you keep in your gun range bag, let me know. Maybe it's something that I need to put in my bag. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Take care.